Hi everybody, my name is Jazz. I'm 34 years old and I'm from England. What led me here? Actually, I took a few yoga lessons many years ago, a few classes, but I never really understood what yoga was. You know, for me, it felt like going into an exercise class, and so I never really got into it, never wanted to do it at home. And then recently my friend kind of invited me, or said that he was coming to this course, and somehow something in me, it felt right, and everything just aligned, and yeah, I felt pulled to be here, and I feel so incredibly grateful that I am here, because even though I didn't practice yoga in the physical side or the asana side so much, but actually I've been doing a lot of meditation and pranayama in my practice usually anyway, and to come here and to meet all the incredible teachers who are so knowledgeable, and you know, to share their wisdom so lovingly. And what I love most about them is that they embody what they teach, really, and so that inspired me so much, and I've learned so much over the course of the month that we've been here. The course is structured really well. I feel like they take care of you really well and really build on the knowledge that you have. And I've learned so much, and I'm going to carry this practice on and know that I can look back and be inspired to practice yoga every single day when I go back home. Yeah. Thank you.